Hi everybody, it's Chuck and I am in the Bill and Shane Link Lighting Showroom, and it's really cool. We invite you guys to come in and play with all the fixtures. Bill's got everything set up to turn on, turn off, dim. Really cool. All right, this is about problem solving products, guys, and so I'm going to go right through it quick. This is one of my favorite devices. This is a GPS photocell. There's nothing photocell about it. It's a GPS module that turns the lights off and on based on sunrise and sunset wherever this thing is located. If you've ever had photocell issues, this will solve it. 15-year warranty too. So, you know, most photocells last a year if you're lucky. I'm telling you guys, this is unbelievable. If you're putting it in a shadowy area or something, this solves that problem. Sunset comes on, sunrise goes off. Unbelievable. Not cheap, a little expensive, but it will solve photocell issues. We've got the best price in the country on these, so call us for this. All right, here's the next problem solver, and this thing is a delight. We've actually used this. Guys, a lot of these products, you can come right here and see them in action. We've used this here to solve an issue we had with, I won't name the name, but a Wi-Fi related device that controlled lighting, and this solved the problem. This thing connects where a lot of other things won't connect. It's an astronomical timer, and you can preload it with all kinds of come on, go off. You can have it shut off whatever hour you want. It connects, and it's not expensive. I want to tell you, it's under $35. All you guys should have these in your toolbox. I'm telling you, this is what we call a voltage tick or a sniffer or snifter, whatever you want to call it, and it just detects voltage. And I'll tell you, guys, you need to know if you're at a house or out of property and you want to make sure that you've got a live outlet, this will do it. It'll buzz. But more importantly, and I've said this a million times, it's a sales tool. If you're out in the yard with a client, you stick this in an outlet, it starts beeping. That means you're moving forward with the sale, with the install. If you don't have one of these, get one. It's a miracle worker in terms of a sales presentation. And I'll go one step further, the same for this. Now this is a receptacle tester, and it tells if you got the proper ground, if you got a neutral ground. It tells you a tremendous amount of information. By the way, these things they're not expensive, they're inexpensive. We have guys all the time calling, they got some issue with voltage, with the transformer. A lot of times this will tell you if you've got proper voltage, proper outlet, proper wiring to the outlet. They're inexpensive. Get them. You guys should all know what this is, a volt clamp meter. Can't live without this in the lighting business, can't. And we've got 3 brands of this, but we like this a lot. I think this is probably the best meter and best value for the money on the market. We've got them, and you can buy them less expensive from us than anywhere. You've got to have these things in your toolbox. And again, solve a problem. You can't figure out what's wrong. You check the voltage, you check the amps, you go, wait a minute. I got voltage, I have no amperage, I got a cut wire somewhere. All right, now, best stripper on the market. If you order one of these, you don't like it, I'll take it back, no questions asked. Just ask for Chuck. I've got one of these 10 years old, you can't beat it. It's a stripper, it's a crimper, it's a cutter. It's the best, you can't wear the thing out. It's a Gorilla wire stripper. If you like Gorilla glue and Gorilla tape, you're gonna love this. Okay, now here's a new product for us. This Sperry, and it's a scanner tester. You can find wire in the wall, you can find studs with it. Here again, if you've ever drilled into something you shouldn't have, guys, they're not expensive. You gotta have it. And you look like a professional instead of going out there scratching your head when standing there in front of a client. Okay, last item to talk about, here again. This is a tracer. I will tell you, if you had a $2,000 Greenlee Textron wire tracer, doesn't matter, it's an art. It takes practice, patience, more practice, but this will trace your wire without any problems. Now, it'll find a break, but you're gonna have to have a lot of experience to do it. But in terms of tracing wire, before you dig, you trace whatever you can see exposed wire so you don't put a shovel through one. It is simple, it is quick, and it is inexpensive. I would have every one of these tools on the truck with me at all times, batteried up, ready to go, because they will save you so much time. Listen, I've had guys in my yard cut wire after wire and they go, don't you have a tracer? No. Very unprofessional. Gotta have it. We have all this stuff in stock, great prices. Call us first, guys.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We wanted to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And if you guys need anything, Teddy's gonna put our number right up top. Give us a call, or you can visit our website at www.linkoutdoorlighting.com.